Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about 820 pieces wire connectors kit. We have 300 pieces over here. You can check it out closely. In 520 pieces solder seal wire connectors. You can see the color, millimeter, quantity, wire dimensions, and product dimensions. And here are the instructions. Strip the wire insulator with a proper length and insert the wires into the solder sleeve of proper size. Then twist the conductor together and move the connector to the middle of the conductor. And the last step is going to be evenly heat by a heat gun, better with the reflector nozzle until it melts. Let's see what we have inside. Here is the heat gun. The stand is gonna prevent the heat damage. And these are some of the tubing. We have all types of sizes. About here. I like these two. I'm just checking the sizes. This is very thin. We also have different sizes over here. Here are the heat gun specifications. And here's the area. We can just put it like that. Let's see how it's working. Let's test it on this. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it and show you the demonstration. There we go. I need to find the correct size. Let's twist it. This will work. And then I will go ahead and twist again, like that. You see. That's good. And I'll go ahead and use this. There are two options, level 1 and level 2. Probably level 1 is going to be okay. Let's test it. You don't need to touch it. You're just going to put it right there. You're not touching any areas. You're just going to hold it like that. Let's try to use second level, like that. And now we're good to go. If you think that is loose, you can continue. You can turn it like that. And now it's ready. I'm gonna show you the old method first. Let's take one out and cut this one. Make sure you're getting the correct size. Let's see. When I use this is too tight. Probably I'm gonna use this one. Let's go ahead and open this. And this, we're gonna go ahead and put the plastic first. Right there. And I will twist it like that. And then we're ready to go. Let's use this. You're gonna see the changes. Alrighty, this is ready. Before, how were we doing? Let me show you. Instead of using this technology, before, what were we doing? Let's see how I was doing, like this. This is traditional method. Let's close this also. We were just using the match like that. And this was all a bit dirty, you know. When you see there are some dark areas over here, it wasn't seen like professional, but when I use the other one, this is very professional, but not this one because of the darkness over there, the smoke. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because you can use 2 levels, and we have so many tubing. These are all shrink. You can use different types of sizes. In addition to the new ones, we have the old style, directly plastic, like that. See. Definitely suggest this product.